Hello everyone, welcome to ScrLk. Recently I have faced a problem that my arrow keys are not working in Microsoft Excel. Like when I press the arrow keys, my worksheet is moving instead of shifting the active cells. Like I am pressing the down arrow key right now. You see the cell, active cell, is not going down. Instead, the whole worksheet is going down. So let's see how to solve this. This actually happens due to ScrLk. So somehow your ScrLk is now locked, so you have to unlock that ScrLk. So if you have any keys in your keyboard that is called ScrLk or ScrLk, you have to turn that off. But if you don't find that ScrLk button in your keyboard, don't worry, you have to press Windows key, Control key and O, and on-screen keyboard will appear in your screen. So from this keyboard, this is a virtual keyboard, from this keyboard you have to turn off that ScrLk. You see, this ScrLk is currently now in active mode. So I am pressing that ScrLk and currently this is inactive, so I am closing this, and again I am pressing the arrow keys and now my cells are moving. So I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.